What's going on? Here you go. Here you go. Come on. You can get it. You got to work for this one. Up. There you go. Oh. Oh, you got her. Oh. Hey. You got to work for your food around this house. There you go. Up you go. He knows where the string is. He's going to cut it. You want that peanut bad, eh? Hey? There. Up you go. Take the peanut up. Up, up, up. Come on. There. Put it in your mouth. There. You want... Oh, he's chewing the string now. Come on. You gotta work harder than that. You want a peanut from the LaBossiere household. We make you work for peanuts. Hey? That, now we're talking about working for peanuts here. There we go. Am I being mean now? Oh, you got it. See that? It just took a little work.